Listen closely, because after today, your life will never be the same. I've studied the world's greatest entrepreneurs to uncover the secrets of how they built their fortunes. And I found a strategy so effective that staying poor becomes almost impossible. Imagine the weight of every unpaid bill lifting off your shoulders. Imagine replacing late-night worry with solid, peaceful sleep because you know your bank account is growing. This isn't about the economy or winning the lottery. It's about the thoughts you choose and the actions you take. The moment this video ends, the first thing you must do is kill the bedtime story that riches will simply drift in while you wait. Money gravitates to people who are already in motion. Stop waiting for lightning to strike and prepare to strike your own match. Success starts with your language. Talk to yourself as if the deal is already signed, because your language steers your feelings, and your feelings shape the routines that ultimately drag your income behind them. If you see someone else winning, do not let jealousy bite you. Staring at another person as feast while you sulk is like standing at a buffet with your hands in your pockets. Their success is simply proof that opportunity lives on your street. But you must find focus. A mind sprayed in 20 different directions is like a flashlight in a football stadium bright, but ultimately useless. You must pull gossip out by the roots, shut down the endless scroll, and keep only the thoughts that pay rent in your head. Most importantly, remember that environment often beats pure willpower. If everyone at your table is complaining about the cost of living, it is time to find a new table one where ideas and solutions circulate instead of gloom. You must feed your mind more than your phone. Surrendering an afternoon to scrolling will get you nowhere. But spending 30 quiet minutes with a book on money or a video that teaches a skill provides free mentorship from giants. If your current job feels like wet cement around your ankles, don't just quit, start moving after hours. Use your late evenings to soak up free tutorials and your weekends to test small experiments. Passion might not pay tomorrow, but it compounds faster than any interest rate on earth. Treat your technology as a servant, not a jailer. The same phone that can steal half your day can also connect you to global markets and choose to create more than you consume. Wealth building requires a specific discipline, living below your means, with no exceptions. This isn't deprivation. It's a vote for your future. Think of it this way. Every dollar you keep becomes an employee that works for you while you sleep. You must send those employees into assets that send thank you notes back in the form of dividends, interest, or extra cash flow. Let's look at a real-life example. I knew a cashier who tracked every dime for a month and realized she was spending $150 a month on snack runs. She swapped those treats for homemade lunches and put that money into a low-cost index fund. 10 years later, those sandwiches were worth more than $25,000. Small hinges swing wide doors. To master your money, you must measure it. Track your income, expenses, and your net worth. Because what you measure, you master. You should never rely on just one source of income. You need to create more than one income river so that if one stream dries up, another keeps flowing. The internet has made it possible to turn any honest skill like tutoring, design, or translation into a worldwide storefront. Take the example of my neighbor who tinkered with broken phones after work using a $20 toolkit and free tutorials. Within a year, his side gig outturned his day job and he eventually opened a kiosk that pays 3 employees. Automate your good habits. Move money to savings and investments the moment it arrives, before impulse even enters the room. And always guard your reputation with fierce honesty. Integrity buys trust, and trust speeds every deal. Wealth is not sorcery. It favors ordinary people who repeat simple actions with uncommon consistency. But knowledge left idle is like seeds stuck in a packet. They have potential, but they cannot sprout. When you close this video, you must take one concrete step within the next hour. Open a document and tally your real net worth. Cancel a forgotten subscription, or toss just $10 into an investment account. Motion beats meditation, and small acts repeated melt mountains. You are too sharp to hear this and choose to ignore it. If you're ready to act, subscribe to the channel and leave a like to see more strategies like this. Tell me in the comments, what is the one small action you're taking in the next hour? I'll see you in the next video.